We've been through A to Z. The big letter, the small letter, and the sound and the song. We just go through the letter and the sound. We'll say the letter and repeat the sound. Okay? The first we have letter A. A. Remember the ands. Repeat. Letter A. A. Sound. Letter B. 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 Bat. Remember. Letter C. K. Clicking castanut. K. 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 C. K. D. Remember the drum. D. 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 E. Eggs in the pan. A. E. A. Fish. The sound must come without much noise. Letter F. Letter G. Water. Go, 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 go. Letter G. Go, 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 go. H. You are tired. H. Letter H. I. The letter I is E. Inky the mouse. Letter I. The sound is E. J. Letter J. Jo, jo, jo. Jelly. Letter J. Jo, jo, jo. K. Kite. Remember kite. K. 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 L. L. Look at the tongue up. Lollipop. L. L. That's a sound. M. Airplane. Aw. The mouth must be round. Aw. Letter O. A. P. Remember the candle. Letter P. 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 The sound. You must blow on the finger. P. 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 Qua. Remember the duck. Qua. Q. Qua. R. R. Rag. The puppy tearing the rag. R. The snake. S. Letter S. Snake. T. Remember the tennis. T. 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 Then you have U. Umbrella. Up goes the umbrella. Okay. V. V. Van. Vicky the van, no? V. Village. Van. W. W. The sound is W. Water. W. X. X. Remember taking photo? S. What's the sound of X? S. Y. 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 Remember eating yogurt? Y. And the last you have Z. S. The bee buzz. How did the bee buzz? Z. So you know all your sound. 26 sounds. The sounds and the letters combined together, you will be able to make other sounds, and remember, this should be in your mind so that your phonetics comes correctly. The letter and the sound. Remember to do better learning. Children, what do you see here? Yes, we have a baby mouse and a mama mouse. Now the baby is crying, I want my mama. The baby mouse is crying. But then you have to help baby mouse reach her mama. How? By writing all the small alphabets you have learned. Shall we? Yes. Now the baby mouse is here. You write small letter A. A. Next. Correct. B. Next letter. K. Very good. Small d. D. Next. Egg. Letter F. G, G, G. Very good. Next. Next one, E. Letter I is, sound is E. Inky the mouse. Now, jelly. J, J, J. Very good. J, 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 J. K. Kite. Remember. K. Next. Very good. L. Lollipop. Then aeroplane. Remember the sound. Oh, very good. P, P, P. Very good. Qua. Okay. Next. That you remember. S. What is that sound? Snake. S. Then T, 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 T. Very good. Very good. V, V, V. Wa. Water. Wa. Wind. Wa. Next. S. Taking X-ray. Next. Yo, 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 yo. Yeah, the mouse is going to reach a mama. Last one. Z, the buzz. Now, I am sure jumping over all this reached mama. Nice, no? Very good. So, you learned big letters, small letters. Very good, children. We have some letters here. Big, small. Say the sound, match the letter big to small. Say the sound first, then match to the small letter. Okay. What do we have first? A. Remember, and A. Yes, very good. Where is the small letter? Letter big here and we have letter small here. Fine. A. What is that letter? Sound A. Okay, you have A. Second letter B. What is that sound? B. Now, B. Where is B? Big B. The sound is B. Very good. And next, what is the next letter? C. K. K, K, K. C, letter K. Where is letter? Small letter C. Here we have. Good. You have K. You have A, B, and then you have K. Next we have, very good, D, D, D. This is, sound is, where is that small D? Here. D, D, D. Okay. And the next letter, E. Letter E, A. Letter E, A. So you have A. Cry when the ants bite. A, B, K, D, A. Alright? When you see eggs, you must say A. Cracking the eggs. Next we go on to another letter. What is that? Fish. Make sound. Don't open your mouth. Close it together. Let the sound come on. Fish. Now you have the big letter here. And you have here small f. And the next one we will do is G. Water. G, 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 G. Water gurgles. Letter F. G. Small G. Where is small G? Ah, small G, 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 G. Next we have, when you are tired, what you do? H. Where's the small h? Okay. And then we have H-I. I said the sound of I is E. Inky the mouse. Remember, sound of I is E. Okay. Where is small I? Inky the mouse. Remember, Inky the mouse. And the lastly we have here J. That is J, 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 J. Jam, J, small j. Alright? Next we have K. We have letter K. And where's the small letter K? Here. What is the sound of K? K, K. Then we have L, lollipop. L, big letter L. And where's the small letter? Yes, here, small letter L. Letter M. Where is it? Good. Then next we have, think of the aeroplane. Where is the small letter? Yes, right up there. The last one, O. O, letter O. Okay? O. The mouth must be round. Alright? So you learned all the sound and we have few more, we'll do it. Let's go through these letters, sound, match them. Remember the candle. P. P, P, P. Letter P, P. This is quack. Letter Q, quack. Remember the ducks, quack. Where is the other Q? Next is R. Rip. Okay, R. R. Letter R. Yes. And then you have S. Letter S. Snake. S. The next letter is T. T, 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 T. T. Where is the small T? Yes. Then you have U. Up goes the umbrella. Very good. And the next we have V. Village. W. Remember that. W. And the next letter we have here is X. Take an X-ray. X. Y. Eating yogurt. Y. Remember that. And the last letter is Z. Remember the bee buzzing. Zzz. Okay, now we've gone through all our letters and the sounds. Let us remember and keep it in our box, computer box. We have learned how to write letters, how to do matching. Now we are going to, knowing all the 26 letters, we are going to fill in. There's a tiny little train and few wagons, and you have a little animal here. We are going to fill in the letters you learned. Come on. First one is A. You have done it. Next one. Who will put the letter, the sound B, B, B? Very good. Letter B. K. Very good. Right, nicely. Then D, 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 D. Letter D. Then A. Crack the egg like this. A. Very good. Next. Very good. F. Now. G, G, G. H. Okay. Very good. Then I. What is that? E. Inky the mouse. J, 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 J. Next we have K. Then airplane. Okay. Next. O. Remember the mouth must be round. O. Next. P, 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 P. Putting out the candle. P. Duck. Quack. Quack. Okay. Q. R. Tearing up the rag. R. Snake. S. Remember the sound? S. Then Tennis. Ta. U. Up goes the V. Vicky. W. Wa. X. Y. Y. And you have the last sound, that is the B buzzing Z. So you got all the letters. You know to write big, small letters. You know to write big letters. You know to remember the sound. Very good.